Inclusive Education for a Supportive Learning Classroom by AJ van Dienter. Good day. Today I will be taking you on a journey to show you how I would include my students in a supportive learning class. Inclusive education is a universal and diverse right to education. This right incorporates a flexible curriculum that develops development of literacy skills, accessible and applicable to students with different backgrounds, learning styles, and abilities. This restructures the policies and practices in schools, which then responds to the diversity of learners. Inclusive education also includes increasing the participation of all learners in their own education, reducing their exclusion from cultures, curricula, and community. This system also needs to be unbiased to behavioral issues, impairments of various types, disabilities, and any other factor that make them different or unique. Supportive learning environments create a safe and supportive learning environments involves school personnel, leaders of the community, organizations, parents, and youth working together to build a positive, supportive, and healthy environment that promote acceptance and respect. Through developing a positive and supportive environment, this allows us as teachers to adapt to the needs of a learner and construct supportive ways for them to get the best outcome from their work, and so that the learner can interpret and apply their learning materials. Here we see the implementation of inclusive education. Number one being acknowledgement of all children and youth as able to learn with necessary support. Accepts and respects the fact that learners are diverse and different in a large variety of unique ways, their respective needs which are equally valued and as an ordinary part of a human being. Number three, enables education structure systems and methodologies to meet all of the needs of each learner. Number four, acknowledges and respects differences in learners, whether due to age, gender, ethnicity, language, class, disability, or HIV status. Number five is broader than the formal schooling and acknowledges that learning also occurs at home and in communities as well as within a formal modes of structures. Number six is about changing attitudes, behavior, teaching methodologies, curricula, and the environment to meet the needs of all learners. Number seven is about maximizing the participation of all learners in culture and the curricula of education instructions and uncovering and minimizing barriers of learning. Number eight is about empowering the learners by developing their individual strengths and enabling them to critically participate in the process of learning. Here we see the four pedagogies towards inclusion, being universal design for learning, differentiated instruction, culturally responsive pedagogy, and understanding by design. With these four pedagogies, we will be using them in our classroom to make a more constructive and forward-focused classroom management. Support structures available. Special schools as resource centers, full-service schools, district-based support teams, school-based support teams, and an SIAS document. Thank you so much for listening for why I believe that inclusive education would help supportive learning.